Hi everyone, for this build you're going to need 8 2x2 tiles, 4 1x2 brackets, 4 1x4 hinge plates and 16 1x2 plates of any colour. For the brackets you need to make sure that the studs are on the top of the bracket. The first step is to take one of your hinges and connect to your brackets, one on each side. Then you need to make 2 stacks connecting your 1x2 plates. And then connect those underneath the hinge. And then finally add the second hinge underneath. Now flip it upside down so you can see the top of the bracket and add another hinge to each side. Now you need to make another 4 stacks of the 1x2 plates. I'm going for a rainbow effect, but you can use any colour you like. They can all be the same or all different. Once you've got your 4 stacks, you need to connect them underneath the top part of the bracket. You will then need to connect the pieces you just made with your hinges. So add them underneath until they're all lined up. You should have 4 1x2 plates left and just fill in the gaps with these pieces. And finally you need your plates. I like to put them in alternating colours. You add them to the side and to the top so that all the studs are covered up. And we're all done.